Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiples part 2. This lesson is a continuation of the previous video. More examples will aim to help with further understanding. Find the first 7 multiples of 8. So 8 is the number we're looking at and we need the first 7 multiples. So we multiply 8 by the numbers from 1 to 7. So here are the first 7 multiples of 8. So it's basically the 8 times tables, looking at the first 7 multiples. Example 2. Which number is larger? The 6th multiple of 8 or the 5th multiple of 9? The 6th multiple of 8 is 8 6s are 48. The 5th multiple of 9 is 9 times 5 is 45. Hence, the 6th multiple of 8 is larger than the 5th multiple of 9 because 48 is larger than 45. Example 3. What is the 6th multiple of 5? Here's 5, and we need the multiples of 5, that is the first 6 of them. So you multiply 5 by the numbers from 1 to 6. And we get those answers here. So the first, second, third, etc. up to the 6th multiple. So the 6th multiple of 5 is 30. There it is there. Example 4. Find the first 8 multiples of 9. What is the sum of the 2nd and 5th multiples? So the first 8 multiples of 9 are, just do the 9 times tables. Take the first 8 multiples. The sum of the 2nd and the 5th multiples, so here's the 2nd multiple. Here is the 5th multiple. If you add those together, because we're looking for the sum, the answer is 63. What is the product of the 1st and 6th multiples of 4? The first 6 multiples of 4 are, here they are here, quite straightforward. The product of the 1st and the 6th multiple is 4 times 48, because there's the 1st, there's the 6th, product means multiplication, multiply those two together and you have 96 as the answer. Example 5. What is the positive difference between the 5th and 7th multiples of 6? Now the first 7 multiples of 6 are, there it is there, they are the first 7 multiples of 6, basically the 6 times tables. Now the positive difference between the 7th and 5th multiples, there's the 7th multiple, there is the 5th multiple. Positive difference. Now difference means take away. So 42 minus 30 is 12. Now we want the positive difference, so we take the large number, which is 42, and we take away the smaller number, and that gives us 12. And that is positive. Example 6. Add the first 4 multiples of 5 to the first 5 multiples of 4. Now the first 4 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. The first 5 multiples of 4 are these numbers here. Now the numbers in the first set of grouping symbols, they add up to 50. The numbers in the second set of grouping symbols, they add up to 60. 50 plus 60 is 110. Example 7, answer true or false. 48 is a multiple of 8. Now, that is true because 8 6s are 48, so that has to be true. Or 8 divides into 48 evenly, or 8 6s are 48. Either way, the answer is true. The 6th multiple of 7 is equal to the 7th multiple of 6. 7 6s are 42. 6 sevens are 42. They're both equal, so the answer's true. Number 3. 28 is a multiple of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, and 6 fives are 30. 28 was not mentioned, so this statement is false. 28 is not a multiple of 6. Finally, all multiples of 7 can be divided evenly by 7. That is definitely true, because the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, etc. Right, you just keep going on. All of those numbers, by definition, can be divided evenly by 7, because they're multiples of 7. So the answer is true.